Assignment 3V, question 1, which sequence is a geometric progression? Circle your answer. Geometric means that from one term to the next there is a common ratio. What does that mean? Well, let's look at the first sequence. 2 to 4 you multiply by 2, then by 2 again from 4 to 8, and from 8 to 16 you also multiply by 2, so the ratio is the same. Whereas 1 to 3, 3 to 6, they're different. The next ones are different. There are no others with the common ratio. That is the only one where the ratio is the same from one term to the next. Question number 2. Two triangles are similar. Jim says, for similar triangles, corresponding sides are equal. Is it true always, sometimes, or never? What does similar mean? Basically the same shape. If it's a triangle, they should have equal angles. So let's take an example of a triangle. Little triangle like that. You could have a bigger version of the same one, maybe an enlargement. Looks like that. Equal angles, but you can see that the corresponding sides are not equal. So in that case, it's not true what Jim says. But on the other hand, you could have a triangle like this, which is equal angles with the first one and also equal sides. So it can be equal sometimes. So in this case, it's not equal sides. In this case, the corresponding sides are equal. So the answer is sometimes. Number 3, circle. It's supposed to be circle the expression that is equivalent to 3a plus a times 5a minus 2a. 3a plus a times 5a is 5a squared minus 2a. That gives us a plus 5a squared. And you cannot combine those two together. They're different kinds of terms. So we have to leave it like that. And there it is in the answer list. Question number 4. Circle the equation of a line that is parallel to y equals 7x plus 2. Parallel, another way of saying that is that they should have the same gradient. And the gradient of any straight line from the equation is given by the coefficient of x, the number in front of x. So in this case it's 7. So we just have to look for another line, minus 2 there, 7 there, 2 there, and 1 there, although it doesn't show 1. So the only one with the same gradient is that one, gradient of 7. Question 5. In a sale, the original price of a coat was reduced by a quarter. The sale price is now $27.60. Work out the original price. You're asked to work out the original price, so let's call that x. And if it's reduced by a quarter, then it means that what remains is 3/4 of x. And we know the final price after the sale is $27.60. So 3/4 x equals the sale price $27.60. And we try to tidy this up, maybe get rid of fractions by multiplying both sides by 4. I get 3x equals $27.60 times 4, which comes to, I think, $110.40. You can use your calculator. And to get x, you divide by 3. I'll do it by hand. 3 into 11. Let's do it here. 3 into 11 goes 3, remainder 2, 3 into 20 goes 6, remainder 2, 3 into 24 goes 8, so it's 36.80, £36.80 before the sale.